Welcome to the Money Code Secrets. Now, in this episode, we talk about the Bible code that explains luck and work which brings us wealth. Now, the code in Isaiah 33:6 of the Douay-Rheims Bible says this: "There shall be faith in thy times, riches of salvation, wisdom and knowledge." Now, the Talmud teaches us not to read things in the Bible literally. Now, the Talmud teaches us to constantly ask, what is meant by that particular verse? Now, what is meant by the verse Isaiah 33:6? Now, the Babylonian Talmud, that's Tractate Shabbath Folio 13a, decodes Isaiah 33:6 for us. Faith is applied to seeds because it requires faith to sow with the assurance of successful crops that will bring profit. Now, how can you be sure that you will get a successful crop? To be a successful farmer requires extensive knowledge. It also requires having faith when sowing with the assurance of profitable crop. Now, the Bible uses the old-fashioned word faith a lot. However, another word for faith is the word confidence. Other words for faith include trust, belief, assurance, expectation, hope, conviction, certainty, assurance. Yes. Now, the three biggest mistakes that people make when they are trying to become wealthy are rushing too fast into action, waiting too long to start, or not starting at all. Now, rushing too fast into action will lead to mistakes or even big failures. Now, Proverbs 19:2 of the NLT says, "Enthusiasm without knowledge is no good. Haste makes mistakes." The GWT says, "A person in a hurry makes mistakes." Now, a person may appear to have a brilliant idea for a business or a career move that they think will get them rich. However, without proper knowledge and research, they can end up wasting too much time and lots of money. Now, many people have lost thousands, if not millions of dollars investing in something they think will get them rich. More importantly, these same people have lost many hours of their life. Time is more valuable than money, since you can always get more money. You can always get your money back, but you can never get your time back. Once time is gone, it's gone forever. Had these people done more research, more analysis, and obtained more knowledge, they wouldn't have wasted their time on an idea with a low probability to get them wealthy. Now, the Bible teaches don't rush into anything, but don't wait too long either. Nothing is guaranteed, but action is worth the risk if you have confidence that an idea has a high probability to succeed and to get you wealthy. Now, if you wait until you are perfectly confident before taking any action, you will never achieve anything. Remember that. Ecclesiastes 11:4 of the GNT says, "If you wait until the wind and the weather are just right, you will never plant anything and never harvest anything." The NLT says, "Farmers who wait for perfect weather never plant. If they watch every cloud, they never harvest." Fascinating. How do you know when to go ahead and confidently take action in a business or perhaps a very important career move? Testing and measuring your probabilities for succeeding in a specific venture will give you assurance Now, once you have enough confidence, then you can move forward with good action. Now, too many people believe in luck, and they use it to explain why, well, some people reach such high levels of success. Sure, good timing can play a role in someone's success, but more frequently, a high probability of success explains why someone succeeds at something and others don't. Isaiah 65:11 of the CEV says, "What will happen to you for worshiping the gods you call good luck and fate?" Isaiah 65:12 says, "Your luck will end." Let's use the example of winning the lottery, since many people dream of winning the lottery. Oh, that would be wonderful. Now, even if people do get lucky and win the lottery, the chances of losing all their winnings are very high. Like Isaiah 65:12 says, evidence consistently shows that most people who win the lottery end up losing all their money and even get into debt. So instead of getting people out of financial trouble, winning the lottery often gets people into even more trouble. Studies have found that bankruptcy rates soared for lottery winners 3 to 5 years after winning. Don McNay, author of Life Lessons from the Lottery, says this: "Many winners struggle with suicide, depression, and divorce." McNay calls winning the lottery a curse because it makes many people's lives worse instead of better. Imagine that. Wise and wealthy people don't play the lottery. And it's not because they don't need the money. Wealthy people are always open to receiving more money. It only takes a few dollars to play the lottery. However, wealthy people don't invest even several dollars to play the lottery because they understand that the probabilities for winning are extremely low. Wealthy people don't believe in the God of luck. Poor or average people worship the God of luck, and they are constantly playing the lottery or dreaming of winning the lottery. So don't play the lottery. Test and measure your probabilities for succeeding at something, and then get to work, confidently taking action. Now, in the next podcast episode, you will learn how to accurately test and measure your probability of success. Now, we invite you to subscribe to our podcast and to our YouTube channel. We would be grateful if you would do that.